Today, I want to share with you how this amazing sport can really change lives. Check out this beautiful video made by SoulTatajuba.
I'm Gleison Monteiro. I'm from Tatajuba. I'm born in this fisherman village. I started kitesurfing like a long time ago, like when I was 14 years old. We didn't have electricity, we didn't have water, we didn't have transportation, we didn't have like food. We have to, like it was really hard for us. And thanks God we have Miguel. He helped a lot of kids here, including me. So that's like, it's amazing. I'm just grateful for this, Now I'm teaching. I'm a kite instructor. I have a kite school and also traveling around teaching different spots in Europe, South America. Also in this place, Santa Maria, I begin from everything. It's like kite surf in my life is grow in this place where we are here. That's really cool. Because that start to think about the kids in Tatajuba, how we can grow, how they can have a different opportunity and in life, because I think kitesurf changed life. Kitesurf changed my life, give me a lot of opportunity, and I think they can have this or better opportunity.
So I think that kitesurfing as a sport can open so many doors just to connect you with people in the world when you're traveling and you're learning different languages and meeting different people with different ways of life, with different types of careers, and you're acquiring new skills.
The kids can change everything, So if we have education for them, for sure they're gonna change in the good way and doing nice things in Tatajuba. Yeah, the problem now is money. It's like how to keep doing this, to give them kites. That's like, and to bring someone to teaching them English here is so hard. So we spend money, so money we don't have it yet.
SoulTatajuba, what's really amazing about it is it gives access to kiteboarding to kids who otherwise wouldn't have had it, and it gives access to all these great opportunities to learn better, to learn more languages, to connect with more people, to maybe have a career as an instructor. I know so many kids from otherwise impoverished areas in like Colombia or Peru or Argentina who are now instructors traveling the world, working in Europe. And these guys are the kind of guys who go home and they start kite schools.
And that's what I wanted for them. They can have this opportunity to doing that.
It's so much more than just a sport for these guys. It really is life-changing. They have all the passion in the world. They have the best conditions in the world. It's windy every single day. And I think if we could just give them what they're missing, they could be competitors on the global scene. So SoulTatajuba is going to hire an English teacher for the whole year. English can really open up doors for these kids and help them get these well-paid jobs that are right at their doorsteps. SoulTatajuba is crowdfunding the money to hire the teacher, and they can really do with your help. It ends up costing about 20 euros per English lesson. So even if you only give 20 euros, you are making a massive difference. There are only 4 days left in the campaign, so please be sure to head over to this link and be sure to support the kids of Tatajuba.
Qual o seu nome e sua idade?
Meu nome é Ian, minha idade é 9 anos. O Arthur tem 9 anos. Davi tem 12 anos. Minha idade é 9 anos.
Octávio e eu tenho 13 anos.
Gabriel, eu tenho 16 anos. Meu nome é Jonas, eu moro em Kitesurfing, em Garcia.
Vocês já tiveram aula de inglês? E vocês querem aprender a falar inglês? Por que vocês querem aprender a falar inglês?
Para falar com os estrangeiros.
Quem fala inglês, quando a pessoa quer viajar e conhecer o mundo, visitar um lugar.
Você tem vontade de viajar, Jonas? Mais ou menos.
Muito obrigado.